Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are going to do a mini review, a tutorial, and just really play with a new palette that I got. Yes, I got the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. This guy right here, iconic, everyone is drooling over it. So I thought I would come on here and show you guys this look that I created, and also we can just get to talking about some of these shades. So if you want to see how I create this look and the swatches and my thoughts on this palette, then stay tuned and let's get into this video because I am super excited. I love blue. Start with the packaging of the palette. So it came in this really nice soft matte blue box, and it has the iconic Jeffree Star logo, and it says Blue Blood, and it has like this wood ingrained type of look, which is really nice aesthetically. On the back of the box, it gives you the ingredients of each of the shadows along with the names, and it also includes all of his social media tags, so his Instagram and his YouTube. So let's look at the palette itself. It is this stunning baby blue shade. It has Blue Blood right top, nice white lettering. Also has his nice logo in the center, and it's a coffin shape, so I was just drooling over the packaging. It has a nice little clasp here. Kind of gives me like that clutch purse type of feeling. And when you open it up, you have a stunning mirror. Now this mirror is definitely high quality. It is so clear, so crisp. I was able to do a very detailed look. And then let's get into the shadows. So the shadows here, you have 18 shadows. Now he does say that these are pressed pigments, and they range from just a variety of blues, different blue tones. You have some mattes, you have some metallic shimmers, and I love that each of the shadows have like this pressed embellishment in them. It does feel very secure, like there's nothing rattling in there. So yeah, it is bulky, but it does feel very sturdy, so I would travel with it. So as far as packaging of this Blue Blood palette, I do give it a 10 out of 10. I think there was just a lot of thought and creativity that went into this, and I really appreciate that. And yeah, it's just stunning. So let's get into some swatches. on any eyeshadow, I want to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay Original. This is the eyeshadow primer potion. I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and blend it out. With this eye look, I'm going to apply Blue Monday first, and I want to focus this on my outer corner and just build it to the right vibrancy and move it in. I'm gonna go, I know I look a little crazy, but it's okay. And then next I'm gonna go in with Blue Blood, and I want to blend out the edges of Blue Monday. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and apply that right on the perimeter and blend it out. That looks good, and I'm just wanting to darken that Blue Monday up just a tad, so I'm going to take Undertaker, and I'm going to apply Undertaker right in my crease. So right here, and I just want to blend that just in my crease. Going in with the Blue Blood Lip Bundle, I'm going to go into this set, and I want to use Drug Lord, which is this ice white, and I'm going to use this as my cut crease today. I'm super excited. I haven't used any of his lip products on my eyes yet, so this will be my first time. So this was super easy to make a cut crease. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. Okay, I'm just gonna do the other side. But this was so easy. Okay, I see why people love using his lip products on their eyes. Wow. So I'm gonna go back in with a Blue Monday and also Undertaker and apply that to the outer corner just to blend out the edges of this white lip product. go in with Entitled, and I'm going to apply that right in this area. Shade I'm going to use is Cullinan. It's the white shade in the palette, and I'm just going to complete this look by applying it to the inner corner and meeting it up with Entitled. To jump off camera real quick. I'm going to finish my face. I'll apply some lashes, the M303B. These are the Miss 3D lashes that I'm obsessed with. I'll apply the lashes and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with Blue Monday and apply that to my waterline. With Undertaker and smoke that out as well. And then as my brow bone highlights, I'm going to go in with Crystal Fresh, just a little bit, and just apply that just right under my brows. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay. And so I haven't applied highlight yet, and I'm just really curious to see if Crystal Fresh will also work as a highlight shade for me. So we're just gonna try it, and fingers crossed we haven't like ruined our whole makeup. But yeah, so we'll apply some Crystal Fresh as a highlight. Oh, okay. That kind of works. That kind of works. Okay, yeah, let's keep going. Not too shabby. Ooh. Huh. That's not that bad. Okay. Not too bad, you guys. Okay, so that was impressive. Okay, and let's go back in with our lip bundle and pick a lipstick to apply. During my lip swatches, and if you haven't seen, I already did a full lip swatch of this bundle, but in that video, you guys were raving about Blue Velvet, so I'm going to apply Blue Velvet on my lips for this look. Okay, so that really completes this blue dreamsicle. eye look. And yeah, I am really impressed with the way it turned out. So let's go over my final thoughts on the Blue Blood palette. Yeah, so all in all, the shades that I used in the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette were a plus. Try not to like blind you guys. Yeah, so they were a plus. So I used Cullinan up here for the inner corner, and then I did Crystal Fresh as my brow bone highlight and also as my cheek highlight, which is amazing that I was able to apply a shadow as a highlight shade. I also used Blue Blood, Blue Monday, and Undertaker for my crease, and then I went in with Entitled, which is this nice metallic shade right here. So all in all, I really love the shades. They build up really nicely and really easily. I did have to put Blue Blood, a couple of layers of Blue Monday, sorry. I did have to apply Blue Monday a couple of times to get the right type of blue I was looking for, but it didn't muddy up. And even when I applied Undertaker on top of Blue Monday, it was still really pretty. It darkened up just the way I wanted it to. There was no muddying or clumping. They really all applied easy, flawlessly, and they're very buttery and smooth. And I really think I can do a lot of creative looks using this palette. So if you want to see more looks, let me know in the comments down below. But I really hope you enjoyed this review, tutorial, swatches, thoughts, using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and that is all I have for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.